Welcome to One Inorganic Chemistry. Here we are going to find hybridization and shape of O3 molecule with the help of 3D animation. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number, which is H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here oxygen is both bonded and central metal atom. Oxygen valency is 6, but bonded atoms are 2, but we should not count, it is 0. So if you substitute in the formula, it gives 6 by 2 gives 3. Lone pair will be H minus B. Here you should count oxygen, so 3 2 equals 1. So H3 is there, so it is sp2 hybridization, which is trigonal planar. But you have one lone pair in the system. Oxygen occupy corner of the trigonal planar and lone pair at another corner. In reality, you cannot see the electron because it is very small when compared to atomic size. So lone pair will not be there, means the shape will be V shape or bend shape like water. So the shape of ozone molecule is V shape. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.